Here's the Origins Drink Up Intensive Overnight Hydrating Mask, which frankly feels like handing your skin a tall glass of water while saying, drink up. This is one of those sleep on it products, literally, because you slather it on before bed and let it go to work while you dream of being flawlessly hydrated. The texture is interesting. It's rich and creamy without feeling like you've dipped your face in butter. It's more like a thick lotion that slowly melts into your skin overnight. There's a gentle fruity citrus scent, not Perfume City, but enough that my nose registers it as kind of fresh. And here it is, it's all rubbed in now. Ingredients like avocado butter and hyaluronic acid are the stars here, pulling in moisture and helping your skin hold on to it long after you've dozed off. It's marketed for 72-hour hydration, and while that might sound like skincare hype, the morning after you use it, your face tends to look plumper and a lot less like parched desert. At least mine does. If your skin is super sensitive, I'd say you might want to go easy at first, might be a bit too heavy. And because it's meant to sit on your skin while you sleep, it can feel a bit tacky or sticky for a while after application, kind of like your skin is wearing a cozy blanket, although blankets aren't that sticky. But that's also part of the point. This isn't a lightweight daytime cream you layer under makeup. It's a hydration boost you give your skin when it's most receptive, which is nighttime. On those nights where your skin just feels dull, dry, or like it's gasping for moisture, this mask makes your morning reflection look, well, more hydrated. Definitely a solid step toward that I slept well glow we tend to chase. There you go.